Can I come to your house?
Well, sure.
What do you have in your house?
I have boogers and I have farts.
No, don't say that, my friend. Okay?
Why can't I say that? That's what I have.
No, don't say that because boogers and farts make me stinky.
I want you to be a stinky boy.
No, I don't want to.
Why not?
Because I'll be all stinky and smelly. No one will want to touch me if I'm stinky and smelly.
Oh, so what should we do?
You should bring toys to your house.
We should play with toys. Why don't you have the phone up to your ear?
Because I ought to see you on the phone.
Oh, how are you seeing me on the phone?
Like this.
What are you up to?
I'm up to. Can I come to your house?
Sure. What are you going to bring to my house?
I want to bring my baby Sissy and this baby. Okay?
Okay. And then what?
I'll call